Okay, let's start with the main components, the CPU. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 1600AF. It has base clock of 3.2 GHz and max boost clock up to 3.6 GHz. And it has 6 cores and 12 threads with total L1 cache of 576 kilobytes and total L2 cache is 3 MB. And also total L3 cache is 16 MB. The CPU socket is AM4 and max temperature is 95 Celsius with PCI Express version of PCIe 3.0 with thermal solution red stealth color with base clock of 3.2 GHz. So that's it for the CPU. So for the motherboard is GIGABYTE B450 AORUS M. It is support AMD first and second generation Ryzen and Ryzen with Radeon EVGA graphics card processor with dual channel non-ACC and buffered DDR4 with 4 DIMM slots, and also it has PCIe Gen 3 M.2 NVMe with thermal guard operating system support for Windows 10 64 bits, Windows 7 64 bits. To support Windows 7 64 bits, you must install an AMD Pinnacle Rage and Summit Rage CPU with high quality audio capacitor and audio noise guard, and this motherboard has HDMI DVMI-D ports for multiple displays with RGB fusion with digital LED and RGB LED headers, and it has also USB 3.1 Gen 2 with USB Type A. So that's it for the motherboard. Okay, let's proceed on the M.2. This M.2 is 3D NAND SATA SD for capacities up to 2 terabyte with enhanced reliability as used for storage capacity. 1 terabyte equivalent to 1 TB or 1 trillion bytes. Total accessible capacity varies depending on operating environment, and also sequential read speed up to 560 MBs and sequential write speed up to 530 MBs as used for transfer rate or interface. MB is means megabyte per second. So that's for the M.2. So for the RAM is TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan Z. It has DDR4 16GB kit by 2 8GB equivalent to 6GB, and it is 3200 MHz and a simple design to perfectly protect the cooling module for high thermal conductive adhesive. It is also support Intel and AMD motherboards, and selected high quality IC supports XMP 2.0. So that's it for the RAM. And for the case is NZXT H510 with compact ATX, mid-tower PC gaming case, and front I/O USB with Type-C port, and also with tempered glass side panel. And for cable management system, it has water cooling ready. The new features front I/O USB Type-C port and tempered glass side panel with single screw installation, and enhanced cable management for our patented cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps makes wiring easy and intuitive. And the streamlined cooling, 2-air F120mm fans included for optimal internal airflow, and the front panel and PSU intakes include removable filters, removable bracket design for radiators, 240mm simplifies the installation of either closed loop or custom loop water cooling. This case has motherboard support for mini ITX, micro ATX, and ATX. So that's it for the case. And for the important parts in your PC build is the PSU or the power supply. The PSU you will use is this EVGA 500 GD 8 plus gold certified with 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads, and for heavy duty protection including OBF or over voltage protection, UBF or undervolt protection, UCP or current protection, OPP means overpower protection. And the ACP short circuit protection, or if you can find this same PSU, you can choose another brand with 500 watts and it has 80 plus bronze or gold certified power. So that's for the power supply. So for the hard drive or the HDD is Seagate BarraCuda 1TB internal hard drive or HDD with 3.5-inch SATA 6 gig and also 7200 RPM with 64 MB cache. This support for computer desktop PC, and it can store more, compute faster, and do it confidently with the proven reliability of BarraCuda internal hard drives. It is build a powerhouse gaming computer or desktop setup with a variety of capacity and form factors. The go-to SATA hard drive solution is nearly every PC application from music to video and photo editing, and also for the PC gaming. So that's it for the hard drive. So for the GPU is EVGA GeForce GTX 1650 software AC Ultra Gaming with 4GB GDDR6 with dual fan and metal backplate. The real boost clock is 1755 MHz with memory detail is 496 MB with GDDR6. It's all new NVIDIA turning architecture to give you incredible new levels of gaming realism, speed, power, efficiency, and immersion. And the dual fans offer higher performance cooling and low acoustic noise with built for EVGA precision by one all metal backplate pre-installed. So that's it for the GPU. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.